Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be installing a wig from Afsisterwig. Inside the package, I received a 13x6 straight wig, a wig cap, some hairpins, and an edge brush. This is what the wig looks like straight out the package. As you guys can see, it has full parting space. The knots on the wig are super small, so I didn't do any plucking. I did bleach it, so I'll show you guys what it looked like after I bleached it, but the wig comes ready to wear. This is what the wig looks like after I bleached the knots and hot combed it into place. The cap that I'm using for my client's bowl cap is sheer stockings. I get this at my local beauty supply store. The first thing that I do is cut a hole in the cap for my client's ear so that the cap can lay flat and I can apply the layers of glue. For the bowl cap, all you need is one thin layer of glue across your client's hairline. Even though my client has a low hairline, I still use the layer of glue and place it below her edges. When your layer of glue is completely dried, you can use the end of the cap and make a knot to save it for your other clients. The makeup that I'm using on my client is my Ruby Kiss number 15. This is what the wig looks like on my client's head. As you guys can see, I pulled the wig up on my client's forehead because the wig is a little over plucked. So I will be cutting off some of the lace and hairs that isn't needed. As you guys can see, when I'm placing the dotted line, I place it exactly where I'm going to cut the lace. So all the hairs that I won't be using will be cut off. Before you apply your layers of glue, you want to clean your client's hairline so that the glue can stick to its best ability. Even though my client has a low hairline, I place the wig exactly where I want it to be so it doesn't look like she has a low hairline. So when I place the lace down, there will be extra lace that'll cover the cap because it is a little bit further back from where her actual hairline is. When I cut the extra lace that I won't be using off, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. The first part of the lace that I cut off is in the middle. As you guys can see, when I'm cutting, I go as close to where the glue is as possible, taking off all the extra lace. Now for the next part that I'm cutting off, you're going to see that I leave extra lace on my client's hairline. The reason why so much lace is left on my client's hairline is because you can see where the cap is, and the cap is exactly where her natural hairline is. And because her hairline is pretty low, I have to put it to where it looks most natural. So I brought the wig a little bit back and I'm leaving extra lace on, and then I'll blend it in with her skin tone. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps with the next side of her lace. I already placed makeup on the lace to cover the cap and blend it in with her skin tone, so now I'm just using my bed head holding spray and spraying it across the hairline before tying it down. I used the same makeup that I used for the bowl cap, my Ruby Kiss Cream Foundation number 15. For the baby hairs, as you guys know by now, I used Got To Be Glued Gel, the black one, and my Cream of Nature mousse. After I finished swooping all the baby hairs, I used 5 to 6 wrap strips and I tied them down until they're completely dried. I flat ironed the wig off camera, but let me know if you guys want to see how I do that in the comments. Now that the baby hairs are completely dried, I removed the wrap strips and I'm going to apply some bio silk before hot combing. Now I'm just hot combing the roots of the hair to make it look neater and in place. And in the next clip, you'll see me grab some pieces of hair that are out of place and I just pull them out with my hands. As you guys can see, there is extra lace on my client's hairline. If I was to place the wig where her actual hairline is, it wouldn't look as natural as it does now. To finish up the install, I'm using my angled brush and the same Ruby Kiss makeup and outlining the parts so it'll look sharper and neat. After I finish outlining the part, I'm going to use the same makeup brush and just place a little bit of makeup on the lace that is still visible so it can blend in better with my client's skin tone. This is the finished look. As you guys can see, the install came out very nice and the wig was already pre-plucked. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Continue watching for more clips of the finished look.